Good morning. We are going to be talking about complement today. It is the 15th, it's tax day. And so the complement of an event is the probability that it does not happen. Okay, so we're looking basically at the opposite. We're looking at the opposite of what they're saying is not going to happen. The sum of the probability of an event and its complement will always equal 1 or 100%. So what does happen and what doesn't happen is going to equal 100%. So the complement of each event, describe it in words. So you're doing the notation. Okay, you're going to do the notation. Flipping a coin and landing on heads. So the probability of landing on the opposite of heads would be landing on tails. Okay, because there's an H on a coin and there's a T on the coin. And the opposite would be tails. Maybe I could spell it correctly. Okay, and the probability, let's get rid of that. Go to the next one. Drawing a heart or a club from a deck of 252 cards. Go look at the picture of a deck of cards if you need help with this. I put it in your Schoology because you do need to know, if I ask you what a heart or a club is, you do need to know what that is. So there are 4 things on a deck of cards. There are hearts, there are diamonds, and there are clubs, which I think on Friday I told you look like puppy paws, and then there's a heart with a stem. Okay, the red are hearts and diamonds, and the blacks are clubs and spades. So now I'm going to pick a different color so we don't get confused. Okay, so the question is, drawing a heart or a club from a deck of 250. We are doing the complement, so it's the probability of not drawing hearts or clubs, or the probability of drawing diamonds or spades. Okay, so this one up here, let's change this one also. So this would be the probability of not landing on heads. Okay. So choosing a red or yellow Skittle out of a Skittles bag. The bag includes red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total, but we're not doing it. So the probability of choosing a red or yellow. So not choosing a red or yellow, or the probability of choosing orange, green, and purple. Those are the same thing, but in complement you would write this one. Okay, and you would write this one, and you would write this one. Those are the complements. It means the opposite of what the words say. So number 4 is saying rolling a cubed dice, which means a six-sided, 6 sides. We have to remember that as well. The deck of cards is important in that rolling a cubed dice has 6 sides, 1 through 6, and landing on a 1. So the probability of rolling not a 1, or the probability of rolling 2 through 6. This is the complement. Okay, so I'm going to go back and highlight the complements so you remember it's the things without the words that say not. That's a complement. This is the complement. This is the complement. And this is the complement. So when they ask for complement, you're not allowed to use the one with not. You have to change it to the one that it would be. Okay, let's do our guided practice. So for each event, find the probability. That's the first thing right here. The complement. Let's change our ink color when we do this so we know which one we're doing. The complement and the complement probability. And the sum. All right, so let's do all the probabilities first. So drawing a 4 from a deck of 52 cards. So they just told us 4 out of 52. This would be probability of a 4 out of a deck. Okay? And this can simplify. Remember we said there's 4 parts. 2 reds are 13 each, that's 26, and 2 sets of black are 13 each. So if we're drawing a 4 from a deck of cards, I know there's a 4 in each color, 2 reds and 2 blacks, and that can reduce to or simplify to 1/13. So the complement of that is the probability of not drawing a 4. And I can use the not because they used the drawing, so I have to do the opposite. Not drawing a 4. And that number is 12 out of 32 because it says in words. So now we want to do it in numbers. So not drawing a 4, if there's 13 in each color, if I take the 4 out, there's going to be 12 out of 13. 13 in each color, so 13 hearts without the red, there's 12. 13 diamonds without the red, and if you divide all that by 4, it'll be 12/13. And the sum is this one and this one added together. So 1/13 plus 12/13 equals 1. And it says that the sum is always 1 or 100%. And it does equal that. Okay, all the cards together. So let's go back over here and do the spinning a 2 or a 7 on an 8-section spinner. So there's 8 sections, and a 2 or 7 is 2 of them, so that equals 1/4. And we're going to do the complement. The complement of that is probability of not spinning a 2 or 7 this is a 7. Okay, and the complement probability for this is 3/4. And how do I get 3/4? So there's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 5 out of 8. Not getting a 2 or 7. Okay, so if we have 8 and we take 2 out, it's 6. So we have 6/8, which simplifies to 3/4. And then we have this number and this number. 1/4 plus 3/4 equals 1, or 100%. And the last one we have is rolling an even number on a cube. So this one would be the probability, let's go back up here, sorry, 2 or 7. This one's the probability, an even number on a cube dice. So when they say cube dice, it's always out of 6 unless they say an 8-section spinner or 8-sided die. So this is going to be 1 through 6. And the probability of an even, this is the notation. So probability of even on a die is going to be 3/6, which is a half. And then we have probability of an odd, right, because that's not even. And so the probability of an odd is also 3/6. Oops, so sorry. So this is going to be 3/6, which is also a half. And then this half plus this half. Okay, so that's all complement is the opposite. So why don't we say the complement in this red one? Let's go back here. And what is the opposite of not spinning a 2 or 7? What is the complement of that? We could rewrite it to say spinning a 1. The reason we say not 2 or 7 is because they're not next to each other. So I think 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 8. Okay, and this one, not drawing a 4, would be, instead of not, we could say drawing anything but a 4. I think not drawing is better for this one because there's too many things that it could be. There's 12 other cards. So let's stick with not drawing a 4. Okay, let's stick with that one. Probability picking of odd. We could also say probability of not even. Okay, there you go. So probability, compound probability is easy. Complement is easy. You should be able to do all of this without any problem at all. There's a page for you to do your independent practice. I hope you have a great day. You guys are awesome. And I know the sub is going to say great things about you. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.